Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to collapse or expand multiple toggles at once in Notion. This is incredibly useful when you're working with lengthy documents and want to quickly view or hide sections without clicking through each toggle individually. First, head over to your Notion workspace and open the page that contains the toggles you want to manage. Once you're on the page, you'll need to select the specific toggles you want to work with. To do this, click and drag your mouse cursor over the toggles you want to adjust. You'll notice that as you drag, a blue rectangle appears around the selected items. Make sure all the toggles you want to collapse or expand are highlighted within this selection. Now here's where the magic happens. Simply click on any one of the selected toggles once. This single click will either expand or collapse all the toggles in your selected group simultaneously. It's a real time saver when you're dealing with multiple sections and need to quickly organize your view. But what if you want to manage every single toggle on the entire page, not just a specific group? Notion has a handy keyboard shortcut for that. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl plus Alt plus T. For Mac users, the shortcut is CMD plus Option plus T. This instantly expands or collapses all toggles across your entire page, giving you complete control over your document's structure in one swift action. If you've collapsed or expanded your toggles and realize you want them back to their previous state, don't worry. Just repeat the process by clicking one toggle in your selection again, and they'll revert to how they were before. It's that simple. This method works seamlessly whether you're dealing with toggles nested inside other toggles or independent toggles scattered across your page. It eliminates the need for repetitive manual clicking, which can become tedious when you're managing complex documents with dozens of collapsible sections. By mastering this technique, you'll significantly speed up your navigation through Notion pages and keep your workspace organized exactly how you need it. Whether you're reviewing content, presenting information, or simply tidying up your layout, this feature gives you instant control over visibility and structure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.